Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 13.1 question number 1. Find the value of 1 is 2 to the power 6, 9 to the power 3, 11 to the power 2 and 5 to the power 4. Let us check. Now let us find the value. Number 1. Number 1 is 2 to the power 6, 2 to the power 6. You write in this way that it is 2 to the power 6 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we multiply all these 2, we will get 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to 16, 16 to the 32, 32 to the 64. That is, answer is 664. Right? Number 1. Number 2 is 9 to the power 3. Number 2 is 9 to the power 3. Therefore, it will be 9 into 9 into 9. 9 into 9 into 9. That is 9 into 9 is 81. 9 is 81. If we multiply it by 9, we will get 9 is 9. 8 is 72. 729. That is 729. This is the answer, 729. 3 is 11 square or 11 to the power 2. That is 11 to the power 2. 11 to the power 2. That is equal to 11 into 11. 11 into 11. That will be equal to, if we multiply 11 into 11, 11, if we multiply with 11, we will get, that is 1, 1 and 1, 1. That is 1, 2, 1. That is, we are getting 121. Right? Now question number 4. Question number 4 is 5 to the power 4. 5 to the power 4. That means we are getting 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Then we will get 5. That will be equal to, here you see, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. That is 5 5 25 and 5 5 25. That is 25 into 25. If we multiply 25 with 25, we will get, here we are multiplying 25 with 25. 25. That is 5 5 25. 2, here it is 5. 5 to the 10 plus 2 is 12. 5 to the 10 carry 1, it is 0. 2 to the 4 plus 1 is 5. And if we add this one, that is 5. This is 2. 5 plus 1 is 6. 625. 625. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.